You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the polygon. At Weather Call, we make the polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 26th day of April. I'm James Spann. It's a warm, dry day today. Weather's really not going to change that much over the weekend. We could see a little rain at times next week, but probably not much as this upper ridge continues to hold. Let's begin with the upper air look. This is where things really happen. This kind of tells the story. We have part of the western trough lifting out across the central plains, a part of it hanging back. But around here, the ridge is very dominant. There's the visible satellite view. Got a field of cumulus clouds in various parts of the state, but so far those clouds have not been responsible for any rain. That's the radar composite across Alabama. We're live here about 3 o'clock. We do note, though, some very active weather back in parts of Nebraska. This is the radar coming out of Lincoln, and you can see we have multiple tornado warnings in effect out there. Thought we'd take a look at a couple of these, kind of look at this thing together. This is a storm that actually came through Lincoln earlier. And again, the tornado signature maybe not as robust as it was earlier, but that was certainly a sign of what's happening out there across the Great Plains states. And again, they'll have the chance of severe storms there for the next couple of days, but not around here. Things will likely stay quiet. And you bet your buddy it's warm today. For some spots, this is the warmest day so far this year. We've got Huntsville, 85. Also mid-80s for Birmingham, Montgomery, Dothan, Mobile. We're expecting low to mid-80s really each day through all of next week. We'll check the watch warning map. We have tornado watches in effect from northeastern Texas through east Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, eastern Nebraska, and far western Iowa. Flash flood watches in effect for parts of Kansas and Missouri around Kansas City. And out in the Intermountain West, we have a number of winter weather advisories for the high terrain, parts of Colorado, Utah, Nevada, Idaho, and Montana. So here's the severe weather threat for the rest of today and tonight. We have an enhanced risk from northeastern Texas right up into parts of Iowa and Nebraska. This is tomorrow. Again, an enhanced risk. That's level 3 out of 5. From around Wichita Falls, Texas, up to Oklahoma City, Wichita, Kansas City. The broader risk tomorrow, running from the Rio Grande Valley up into the Great Lakes. And on day 3, which is Sunday, got a risk of severe storms, again, from northeastern Texas up into parts of the western Great Lakes. But, of course, all of this stays well to the west of Alabama. Take a look at rain for the next 7 days. The bigger numbers west of the state, parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, around the Arklatex region, and really, for a lot of Alabama, just not much rain at all. This is valid through Friday morning of next week. Much of South Alabama, nothing. The Gulf Coast, dry. Headed down to the beach, you got some great weather. Maybe a half inch around the shoals, down toward Hamilton and Vernon. The heavier totals, again, west of Alabama. So let's break it down day by day. Model fans. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got the big trough in the western states, ridge over the eastern states. And again, for us, we just don't think the weather changes much. Warm, dry, low to mid-80s, partly sunny. Technically, the chance of rain is not 0, but it's tiny for any one given location. And really the same thing on Sunday. Could there be a little isolated shower somewhere? Yes, but most places dry, partly sunny, warm, low to mid-80s. We note that surface low Sunday over northern Iowa with a trailing front, and south and east of that, the chance of severe storms, but again, not where we are. So Monday, that surface low weakens, headed up toward Canada, trailing front, the better chance of rain Monday in areas west of Alabama, and that will probably creep in here Monday night with a chance of showers, and then Tuesday, the front's just a dead duck. A ridge, it fizzles out, loses its identity. Could there be a few showers Monday night and Tuesday? Absolutely, but again, nothing too heavy, nothing too widespread. This is Wednesday. The GFS continues to hint at the chance of showers for the northern half of the state. Again, high should be in the 80s. This is Thursday. That looks pretty dry. And a week from today, Friday, May 3rd, troughing well to the north. Another front approaching, and that will likely bring a chance of showers late Friday and Friday night. That's a week from today. But again, it's not really a severe weather look. Let's go out 10 days, Monday, May 6th. Now, the ridge being replaced by a trough, and if that's the case, temperature should come down a little bit, that 540 thickness line, almost down to northeastern Tennessee and northwestern Tennessee. But again, this could easily change. This is 10 days out. But the weather, if this were to verify, that would be dry and seasonal. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean, a little over 1 inch between now and the 12th of May. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. Low to mid-80s over the weekend and all of next week. And then close to 80 for that weekend of May 4th and May 5th. Lows mostly in the 60s. And hot off the presses, got the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for May 4th through May 10th. And again, with the ridge, temperatures here would likely be above average. All righty, let's roll some children's of Alabama. Kid Cam video. The Trinity Child Development Center, Trinity United Methodist Church in Homewood, looking good today. And ooh, that cake, what a great cake. That was really good. Looked great, tasted great, but we had a great time today. We talked about the seasons and forecasting weather and staying safe, and they were really good listeners today, the little ones. So again, to all of my friends at Trinity Child Development Center, TCDC, in Homewood, all the teachers, the kids, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Hey, you guys are looking good. So tomorrow, don't forget, we have a 2-for-1 special in Fayette at the Fayette Civic Center. So tomorrow morning at 9, we will do a spotter training, severe weather safety combo talk. I'll be speaking. If you want to get into the storm spotting business, this is your chance. It's basically a basic storm spotting training session. 9 o'clock, Fayette Civic Center, and then from 10 until noon at the same venue, we'll have the traditional book signing. And as you know, tomorrow is the 13th anniversary of the generational tornado outbreak of April 27, 2011. 62 tornadoes in one day, 252 lives were lost. And we'll have the book about that day. The book is called All You Can Do Is Pray. We'll have Weathering Life, our Benny and Chipper series for kids. We'll have all the weather T-shirts and stuff. We have so much fun at these things. So come see us again to the Fayette Civic Center, the storm spotting, the basic storm spotting class at 9, and the book signing from 10 until noon. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.